Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Fortnite on your iOS device. So as you can see, we are currently on the official Epic Games website. Let's try to install Fortnite this way. As you can see, it's saying that we are unable to install Fortnite because we're not in the EU region. The same error message comes up even when we try to click install. Let me give it another go, and the same error appears. If you're seeing the same error, you need to visit a website called appwiz.vip. As you can see on the screen, this website allows you to skip Apple's EU region check. Once you're on the site, click on Fortnite, wait for the website to load, and then click Get, and then Open. Here, you need to click Install. As you can see, appwiz.vip is now starting to install Fortnite on our iPhone. The Fortnite app has begun downloading on our device. Give it a moment to finish installing and then open it. As you can see, it's now downloading, but this will take some time since it's 12.8 GB. I will speed up the process for you because it's not worth watching Fortnite downloading for 5 minutes straight.
One eternity later.
Now Fortnite has been downloaded to our iOS device. Here you need to link your Fortnite account, and now it's time to see if we can play a game. Let me first turn my phone before we can check the game. As you can see, I'm already logged in. And everything seems to be working fine. Let's check if we can play Battle Royale. There should be a way to skip this. There it is. Let me click the skip button. Let's play solo and click play. Let's see how it goes. It will take some time to connect to the server, but I will speed up this process as well. As you can see, we're now in the game, playing Fortnite. As I mentioned at the start, we're not in the EU region, yet we're still able to play. The game is running very smoothly on my iPhone, with no issues or lag. Remember, the only website where you can bypass this restriction is appwiz.vip. So yeah, check it out guys. If you want to see more gameplay, please like the video, subscribe, and comment. Play!